Hey everyone, Redneck Brian here. Okay, this is going to be the official test drive video of the Kubota. Stage 1 is complete. I've decided for Stage 2, all I'm going to do is lock the rear end. Probably in a couple weeks before the snow comes, I'll pull it out, lock it. I do have brakes. They're not good, but they're not terrible. I need some new brake pads. And the clutch is working really well. I got good speed. It's hard to drive and with one hand hold the camera, so please bear with me on that aspect. But other than that, got brake on. I doubt it's going to fire. No, of course not. I'm in neutral, and let's go for a ride. I normally start off about anywhere from first to third. Okay, I thought I'd stop and talk about the final setup on the Kubota underneath. I'm at the park on my street, so as you can see, hopefully, there is the final setup. There is my main tensioning spring right there, and it's just going over to actually the stock tensioner. And it's actually backwards. I might get a different one that will flip it around the other way. We'll see. I have this bolt stud right here, so if I need to add a second spring tensioner just to get some tension off of there, I can. But the clutch is actually staying quite cool, which is good. The transmission staying cool, which is also good. I believe it's a Peerless in this one. But other than that, it's running pretty good. I know there's going to be a lot of people out there that's going to say, oh, you can make it go faster, you can make it go faster. Yeah, I could, but I'm in a residential neighborhood. There's a lot of young kids around. I don't want to get dangerous, so it's good the way it is. That's my opinion on the subject. It's good the way it is. It's not the fastest. It's not nowhere near the slowest. So it's just right. So let's fire back up and drive home. So there we go. Hopefully you enjoyed that quick test run video. It's fun the way it is. Like I said, I like it the way it is. I'm not straight piping it. I'm going to keep the stock exhaust that's currently on here. I want to be respectful to my neighbors, so I'm keeping it exactly the way it is. I'd love to lower it in stage 3, but I'm not 100% sure on how to go about that with this particular tractor. We'll see. And just to let the haters out there know, I do all this work myself. Only time I get help is if I need help holding something while I'm welding it, lifting something, like say a heavier engine. That is the only time I get help from my neighbor, from my stepdad, anybody. So to you haters, fuck off. So anyways, that's pretty much it for this video. So I'll talk to everyone later. Please keep it redneck like always, and please subscribe and comment.